Hello everyone. So I recently ordered some 6-packs of Plasma Blast from Legacy Cards, and this is the first time I've ever ordered from them, so I'm just gonna keep.
So do I record this way if I want it to be like full screen?
Yeah. To make everyone's life easier. Alright, I'm gonna open this off camera just because I don't want everyone looking at our address. What are you doing?
That would be creepy. Stalkers. Look at baby cracker time.
Alright, so I'm gonna pull. Oh, nice, okay.
Is that something else?
Yeah, okay. So here are the 6-packs, and it came with
His cards.
his card, or her, probably his. Just not to be sexist or anything, but I'm pretty sure it was a guy I looked on Facebook. So there's the 6-packs we have.
And
Let's see what we got here. We got a reverse hollow Parasect.
it's pretty random.
We got a Genesect. Oh, nice.
Nice.
I got the
that's
red Genesect.
sweet.
That is pretty cool. And
And
we
the
got
code.
a Plasma Freeze code. And here's this card. LegacyCardShop.com. I would definitely recommend it to anyone and everyone because this came within, I think, 2 days. It's incredible.
That looks good. Wow, that's nice.
It is pretty cool. Alright, so in here, what do we got? We got Frozen City, Lunatone, Monferno,
Oh, that's
Espeon,
nice.
Shelmet, Golett, Tredegon, Ducklet, Voltorb, Nidoran, Girl, Ponard, Horsey, and Starly.
Random.
So
Frozen City's nice.
that's really cool. I'm glad.
Really nice example.
Alright, so those are those. There's my-
He sent. Oh yeah, here's the cleave.
And now I just feel like I'm going to order again tonight, just because that's awesome. Alright, so
I'm still broke.
again, I would definitely recommend buying from this site. They're extremely cheap. I ordered these 6-packs for $15. Alright, so let's get to opening. Blast. Octillery, Bomb Snow, Torgo,
Sorry about the sake.
Bagon. Oh, my fingers right. Let me zoom in a little. Not zoom, but focus. Squirtle,
Hold on, not focus.
Teddiursa, Solosis, Drifloon, Duocean, and an Aggron.
We need some more light.
Aggron rare. Is that better?
Oh, that made it worse. Let's hold the can for a sec.
Yeah. We need to work on this whole thing where,
No, light. That's
no,
better.
no, I think it's more where you need help learning how to record. So, there's the Aggron, was the rare.
Right? Second pack.
Another Artillery, Tropius, Silver Bangle, Porygon, Teddiursa, Solosis, Houndour, Lapras, Reverse Mona, and a Hollow Houndoom, another one. Alright.
Nice.
I just get so many Hollow Houndooms.
How new's your best friend?
Apparently.
Third pack.
Third.
Are you gonna order them again?
Yeah, I think I'm probably going to order again tonight. Another Octillery, Plume
you gonna
Fossil,
order?
Fracture, Tinamo, Remoraid, Sawk, Surskit, Aeron, Reverse, the Special Energy, and Drifloon.
Haven't got enough Driflums, dude. Need more Driflums.
Octillery, Plume Fossil,
Okay.
Wartortle, Snorunt, Remoraid,
Hold on.
Throw,
Focus. There.
Surskit, Carablast, Reverse Electros, and a Celigor.
2 plasma cards. Gotta focus from this way.
Oh, there goes everything.
There goes the lock up. There goes my table.
Reversal Trigger, Cover Fossil, Shelgon, Aron, Houndour, Ducklet, Surskit, Shelmet, Versalosis, and Froslas. And let's get the last pack.
Swag. We can get like an EX, boy.
Might be nice, but I doubt it.
I could get like another D-scope.
Energy Retrieval, Caitlyn, that's nice. Carablast, Remoraid, Ducklet, Surskit, Lapras, another reverse special energy, and another Suicune. Well, another, as in I have a lot. Alright, so those were those. Here, do you want to hold it just so I guess I can recap? I guess.
Make sure to check out our other videos. We did the pre-release, but we didn't actually get the videotapes of it. We have the results of it in our binders. Got a nice.
So there's Electros, Reverse Electros, Celgor.
Yep, your face is in it. Oh, my thumb's in it.
I don't care if my face is in it. Reverse Special Energy, Drifloon.
Need more. Sorry about the lighting, guys.
Hollow Houndoom.
You need to fix that. You missed your other reverse.
I didn't want it. Aggron. Is it? No, it's not right.
The way sent you like.
So I got the Genesect, the other Genesect.
It's really nice.
The Suicune. There's that reverse.
And yeah.
I'm just gonna put this out there because I'm really happy I got another Caitlyn. Firstless.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. So that was that. Check out again. It's Legacy Cards.
Love it.
I love it. I'm definitely ordering again tonight. Thanks for watching. All that good stuff.
My deodorant fell. Yeah. Pokey Brothers out.